Well, hello, you trader nerds. Hope everybody's having a fabulous Wednesday. And at 2 o'clock, the minutes are being released. And apparently, it's not doing anything in the market. The FOMC meeting looks like everything's fine. We're in a range day, up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. And the VIX is down to 15.55. The AD is paltry 13. And AD going up, market going up, NASDAQ going down. How about that? Normally, this goes up, this follows. So I would be long NASDAQ right now, thinking we're going to go up with the market and with the AD. But what do I know? Because I don't know anything. So let's see our little, where's our little big green monster here? See what we've got here. So the E-mini's up a little bit. We're at the value area high above the point of control. So we knew this was going to be an area of support and resistance. What is support today is resistance tomorrow, it seems like. And we're not surprised at all that we're hanging out around these areas. So we are fairly priced. Let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ fairly priced. NASDAQ is... Yes, I'm still trading with him. He's up like he said $6,000 or $7,000 today. I didn't trade with him today. He stopped at 10 o'clock, he said. So I'm trying to give him a few days break from me because he's probably like, oh my God, this guy is horrible. But yeah, he's doing really, really good. I can't remember how he did yesterday. I think it was like 8,000 yesterday. He's getting a little slow, y'all. I mean, how can you survive on $8,000 a day? Huh? I mean, is that enough for anybody? I don't know how he does it. All right, look at this, y'all. So we had indecision. We don't know what we think about our new president. He's kind of goofy. He's kind of up and down and up and down. We don't, wait a minute, maybe he's not that goofy. Hey, wait a minute, maybe he's not that, maybe he's not, maybe, just maybe he's on to something. I don't know. It seems like the market's okay, but notice that the volume is down. So we don't have a lot of volume. We don't have a ton of volatility in the market. Volatility is real, real low. So it'd be cool to get some volatility in the market. That would normally mean a move to the downside, but we don't have it yet, do we? So looks like we're getting our little feelers up here to get a little run to the upside, but on lower volume. So we may stay and say, well, maybe he is crazy. Maybe he is crazy. Maybe he is crazy. So this is us, I believe, feeling out a new president. This is what I believe. You know, do I have any proof of that? No, but I think that's what it is. Let's see how our little account's doing today, y'all. Good to see everybody. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got DB with us. We got Dwayne. We got Edwin Pruitt Chevrolet. We got Hal. We got Jim B. We got Mo. We got the Rickster in. We got Stacy. We got Thomas. Good to see all of y'all. So I have not traded any real scalps today. I was just playing on Tradeovate. And I was telling the guys a while ago, y'all, Tradeovate. Look at this. Isn't this fun? Look at this, y'all. You set all this stuff up. And you set your little charts up. You can get a paper account. This is a demo account. And you can trade away, baby, with futures. Let's say we want to go long here. Let's go long. I'm putting me an order in. We didn't get filled. Come on, fill me so they can hear the order get filled. Let's move this up. This is why I never make money because look, I'm chasing it.
Order filled.
Order filled. When Arnold Schwarzenegger says order filled, you know you've order got filled. Look at there. We are long, baby. Look at this. That's great. We're up $10. Take it.
Order filled.
We made $10 there. Of course, I'm down $1,435 on the day, but it's all play money. But this is a fun way to open your little paper account, get you $50,000 in here, and just scalp away. See if you can figure out what you're doing so you can let me know what I'm doing. But let's see, we are up $110 today. Finally got over the $80,000. We've been over $80,000 before, but we've just been hanging out. So finally, we're a little bit above $80,000. We've got $50,000 of profit on the year. Everything looks really, really good. We act like we know what we're doing. Our deltas are 146. Our theta is negative 22. That's because of our hedges. Our vega is positive vega, which we like for our hedges. Let's see if our balances are all positive today. Remember yesterday we were paying more margin interest. Now we still paying margin interest, but we've got these positive again. So we should not be able, not have any additional margin interest taken out of our account. So let's see what our positions are doing. So we've got E-mini positions that are just 3 5s, 3 5s, 3 5s, 3 5s. We've got 40 days on those, 57 on those. So won't be long before we put in some new hedges. And then we've got our TQQ friends that are doing terrible. One of ours is now both of them are in the money. How about that? But that's good because that means we're making money if TQQQ is positive and it's above 90, or we're losing on these. And as we talked yesterday, how to manage these things, maybe I'll just let them get called away and we'll sell puts to accumulate additional shares. I don't know. Or if we have a little correction, these things will probably come in nicely. We still got 30 days to go on there. And I probably will do something, I'll make a decision at around 21 days. Do we want to roll these or do I just want to leave them in and let the shares be called away? We will have made money in the overall account because we've got 417 shares and these only represent 200 shares, 100 per contract. So those are good. So we've got a E-mini or micro position. We've got a naked put that is almost, y'all, getting close to 50%. When this gets 50%, we'll have 4 put debit spreads in place. Those will be really, really super cool. Here's our 4th put debit spread. So that gives us a little bit of protection to the downside. So we like those. And look at the days that we've got on those: 86, 86, 120, and 149. So plenty of downside grind down protection in line. So I really love what we're doing as a strategy. So let's just talk about it for a minute. Let's see if my little pen works here. Does my little pen work? Can I write? Yeah, where's my pen thing? Let's write what our strategy is, because that's probably important. We hadn't talked about it in a while. So the strategy now is we are enhanced dollar cost averaging into TQQQ. So this is called enhanced dollar cost averaging into TQQQ. And we're doing it over 12 months. So if the market is up per month, we'll buy more. If a market is down if the market's down, we'll buy more. If the market's up, we'll buy less. So that's what we've got doing. And then we're selling puts on TQQQ. And we're selling, because we do like options, covered calls to bring in additional income, right? So that's good. We got this all going for us. And then we've got the Sweet Bobby hedge. Some of y'all call it the Black Swan hedge. This is selling a 3 and buying a 5 at around 120 days if you can. But normally we can't do it in 120 days. Normally this is around 90 days because we can't find the 50-point wide strikes in ES. So we're doing that in E-minis. And then in the micros in this account, depending on your account size, we're doing 111s. 111 trades. So we got appreciation of a stock. We've got options, cash secured puts. We got covered calls. We got hedges. We've got 111 trades. We got just a little bit of everything. And we're doing really super good this year. Right? We're doing really, really good. We're up $4,000 on the year. Where does it go? Look at this. So that's a great return, y'all, in the account. So we want to keep that up, keep everything going. And we're trying to learn how to scout, which has been a job. No doubt it's been a job. So let's see how our little hedges are doing today. Hedges yesterday were at 11,000. Today, there's probably at 10,000. 10,292. Everything looks really, really, really good. Now, if we didn't have TQQQ, what would our hedges be? Look at this. We would have a $32,000 hedge. But we, in our infinite wisdom, decided that we would buy 417 shares of TQQQ. So we're fully hedged to the downside. Now, if you follow the TQQQ forum or leverage ETF forums in Reddit, these people are always like, how do I hedge? How do I hedge? You and I figured it out. We figured out, hey, spend a little bit of money on a hedge, and the appreciation from owning the stock should more than take care of you. And then we've got crash protection and we've got grind down protection with those put debit spreads in the event that the market slowly grinds down. So I think we've got a really, really comprehensive strategy. I love it. Now, if we could make $8,000 a day scalping, that would be great. We're working on it, y'all. So we will do more of that. And I encourage all of you to set you up if you want to follow along with the scalping that we're doing, set you up a little play money account, a demo account, tradeovate.com. I don't get a penny from them. So just set it up at tradeovate.com and have fun with it, because this is really, really, really fun. Lots of fun. All right, guys, I love you to pieces. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Y'all have a good rest of your day. See ya.